Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft project for Gantt charts and baselines, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Microsoft website. In the search bar, type Microsoft project. Select the version of Microsoft project that best suits your needs, such as project for the web. If you are an existing user, sign in with your Microsoft account. If you are a new user, you may need to create an account. Look for the option to start a free trial if you want to test the software. Click on the trial option, if available, and follow the prompts. Once you have access, navigate to the download section. Select the download link for Microsoft project. The download should begin automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file on your device. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to agree to the terms and conditions. Choose your preferred installation location if prompted. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open Microsoft Project from your applications list. You will be greeted with the project management interface. You can now begin creating Gantt charts and setting baselines for your projects. Familiarize yourself with the tool by exploring templates and tutorials. This will help you maximize the software's features for efficient project management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.